In this video, you are going to see how to send photos, videos, applications, and WhatsApp data from a Motorola mobile phone to a Samsung mobile phone, that too wirelessly. So let's start. I'm showing this during the setup process of a Samsung mobile phone. After reviewing the settings, you can see this screen. Here, select the option Galaxy or Android device. It shows a QR code. Scan it using the Motorola mobile phone. Then both mobile phones will connect. Now on the Samsung mobile phone, it asks you to re-enter the password of the Motorola mobile. After that, it automatically connects to the Wi-Fi, so you don't need to enter the password once again. Once it is connected, wait for some time. It will show the list of data available to transfer. Next, it asks you to insert a SIM card or transfer the SIM from another mobile phone. You can set up this later by selecting the last option. Next, this screen will open. Here, select the next option. Then agree to the terms and conditions. After that, allow all the permissions. Now, you need to install the Samsung Smart Switch application on the Motorola mobile phone. Once you install it, open the app and allow all the permissions. Next, inside the application, it asks transfer your data. Click on Let's Go. One more thing, make sure your mobile phone has enough battery, or else you can connect the charger like what I'm doing. On the next screen, it asks how you want to connect, Wi-Fi or cable. Select the one that you prefer. Next, you need to scan the QR code using the Motorola mobile phone. In the next step, it scans all the data available to transfer to the Samsung device. This screen will be shown. Here, you can select everything, or just calls, contacts and messages, or you can customize it. Then click on Next. From here, you can select the items that you want to transfer if you selected the custom option. When it comes to the WhatsApp chat history, this process may not transfer the chats completely, and don't worry, I'll show you how it is done later. Then click on Next and the transfer process is going to start. Meanwhile, you can continue the setup process of your Samsung mobile phone. Depending on the overall file size, it may take a few minutes to a few hours to complete this process. If in case you connected a cable to transfer the data, make sure you do not touch the cables. There are higher chances that the process may stop and you may need to start again from scratch. That's it guys, this is how we can transfer the data. Now, when it comes to the WhatsApp chat history, first download the WhatsApp application on your Samsung mobile phone, but don't log in with the mobile number yet. Now, open WhatsApp on the Motorola mobile phone, click on the three dots in the top right corner, then choose the settings option. Here, scroll down and select the charts option. At the bottom, you can see the transfer charts option. Click on it and start the process. Now, open WhatsApp on the Samsung mobile phone and log in with your mobile number. I mean the same number. After the OTP verification, you will see this window called Transfer Chart History. Click on Continue. A QR code will be displayed and you need to scan it using the Motorola mobile phone. That's it. The WhatsApp chat history is also transferred to your Samsung mobile phone from the Motorola mobile phone. I hope this video is useful for you. If yes, don't forget to click that like button and also subscribe to this channel for more tips and videos like this, as well as review videos of mobile phones, gadgets and more.